Hello guys, and welcome to the next Slayer guide. In this guide we will be killing Celestial Dragons, another one of my favorite tasks and tasks that I have on my preferred list. So yeah, in order to kill Celestial Dragons you need to have completed one of a kind quest, and you will be killing them on Dragon Tooth Island resource dungeon. So, Celestial Dragons, as with most of the other ones, are weak to Dragon Bane, so we'll be using of course Chaotic Crossbows, Armadillo Set, Dragon Bane Bolts, Zalem Surgeon String, Dragon Rider Amulet, Avas Alerter, Dwarf Instinct Aura for the day, which is currently active, Mighty Slayer Helmet and Charming Imp. In our inventory, Anti-Fires, 15th Anniversary Cake, Magic Note Paper, Spring Cleaner, Hortstalker Ring, Steel Titan and Captain's Log. So the quickest way to get there is of course by using your Hortstalker Ring and just teleporting outside of the dungeon. Other than that, you can go to Port Phasmatis with the ship from Port Sarim, and then with the small ghost sailor boat to Dragon Tooth Island. In order to do that you need to have Amulet of Ghost Pick equipped or completed hard Mauritania tasks. Yeah, basically you can't see the island on the map, but that's the way to get there. So this is quite a large dungeon, so it's enough to sustain 2 or 3 players. Basically when you come here you just want to summon your Titan, drink your super anti-fire and then start attacking the dragon. Celestial Dragons start off with 22,750 life points. They give solid XP, so around 2,500 combat and 976 Slayer experience. Basically the reason why this task is so good is because you don't need any food and you won't be dealt any damage if you stand afar from the dragon and use range or possibly magic, preferably ranged with Dragon Bane bolts. They can attack you with melee if you are in their melee distance. Other than that, they will only attack you with their Dragon Fire, so basically just drinking your super anti-fire will prevent all the damage. They do have one special attack which you'll soon see, in which they basically freeze you in time, and basically they can't be dealt any damage in that period. They also trap your familiar in time, and that time basically lasts for around 3 seconds. So just wait it out or use freedom to get yourself out of that. Other than that, their drops are okay, so they do drop lots of noted stuff, dragon hides and talismans, etc. And the charms are really great, so 74 to 75% of the time they drop Crimson Charms, and you just saw this special attack. So almost 75% of the time they drop Crimson Charms, as I said, and even with their regular drops you can make 1.5 to 2 million GP per task here. Special drops related, they drop Draconic Visage on rare occasions and Dragon Rider armor and Celestial Handwraps very rarely. Celestial Handwraps are currently worth 2.5 million GP at Grand Exchange, so that's quite a boost for your GP on this task if you get lucky. So yeah, I mean the only thing worth mentioning here is their special attack, which they will use after 5 of 6 of their auto attacks, but basically that special attack can't damage you, it will just slow down your kills, but most of the time you will be killing them so fast that they won't have the chance of using it. And yeah, that's all for this one, and as always, enjoy!